In this lesson, I will explain to you count function to find character or substring. To find character or substring occurrences within a string, we can use the count method. Now, what is the meaning of it? Suppose the list is given, this is our list, and if we want to count, suppose I, how many times I comes in each and every string, then we have to use the count function. But how we have to use the count function, I will show you with the help of few examples. So here is cities is my variable and this is my list. See, I can show you. You can practice by using different cities name as well. Here I want to find out A. How many times A comes all together in all these strings. So starting with 0 for city underscore name, after in you have to use the same variable name. When I will run it, you will see the total of A found in the list is 8 times, right? Because I have put here that print, this is my literal, that is why this is the sentence. If you do not want, just delete it or just write down print and in parentheses your variable name. So see here, total are 8. In New York we do not have any A. In Shanghai we have 2. In Islamabad we have 3. Similarly in Tokyo we do not have any A. But if you want to see actually, right, how many times it comes, so what you have to do, just write down print and in parentheses underscore total. So it will show you, I will run, then I will explain to you how you will see your output. See here, in New York we do not have any A, in Shanghai we have 2, and then in Islamabad there are 3 A, 1 2 3, but output is 5. So do not be confused please, because it is adding, accumulating. It's Shanghai there are 2 and then 3 of Islamabad, total are 5. In Tokyo we do not have, that is 5. After Dubai in we have A and then 6 and so on. So total there are 8 times A. This is the count function. So please practice it. See you in the next lesson and thank you.